here in front, Chef Lau. Eto na. He will be talking about, of course, the cooking showdown between the chef and the queens. So with Chef Lau, let me again invite our Binibining Pilipinas International 2024 Mirna Isguera, Binibining Pilipinas First Runner-Up 2024 Crystal De La Cruz, Binibining Pilipinas Globe 2024 Jasmine Bungay, and Binibining Pilipinas Sasa Girl. Because Chef Lau will tell us, of course,
Binibining Pilipinas,
the
diba?
chefs versus queen showdown. Sobrang exciting to, Chef.
Yes, actually, first time mangyayari to na chefs against beauties. Di ba? Kita-kita nyo naman. Kita-kita. Yes, actually, gusto ko malaman, first of all, kay Sasa Girl. Gusto ko malaman, Sasa Girl, do you cook? No. Okay, sige. So mga chefs, you met Chef Mix already. And of course, everyone knows Chef Tatum. Yes. Oh, saan si Chef Masi? Wala ba?
Nasa Italia.
Oh, sa Italy pa si Chef Masi.
Ano pala yung showdown, mga kapatid?
Ayan, so imagine this. So, beauties versus chefs. And beauties din. Alam mo, parang medyo, hindi ba parang unfair yan? Kasi yung mga chefs, tsaka against yung mga parang, hindi ba unfair ano yun? Or okay lang sa inyo na kalaban yung mga chefs? Ano ba nararamdaman nyo, Mary?
Okay lang, papatunayan namin ni Mir na taga-Pampanga kami.
Actually, for me mas pressure sa akin kung chefs ako at kalaban ko mga beauty queens. Dapat hindi kami matalo. So ano masasabi mo, Chef Mix, na yun na nga, kalaban yung mga beauty queens?
Actually, yung hardest part is to concentrate siya on what we're doing. Kasi we're clinching their crowds. Kasi they're already winners. So in this cooking show, we have to prove that we can be winners as well. Pero I'm with Chef Tatum, so Chef La, I'm sure I'm confident enough to work with him.
Ako kahit sa ganda, lalaban naman ako. Di ba?
Actually, si Chef Tatum is a queen herself. Actually, very exciting to. And of course, both teams will be receiving cuts of pork from the snout nga hanggang sa tail. And how many dishes ba yung i-prepare nyo?
Dalawang secret.
I think 2 dishes. Yes. So, advantage sila, 4. Sila, 2 pa lang hanggang ngayon. Hindi pa sure kung si Chef Masi makakauwi sa Italy, from Italy. So, kung hindi siya makauwi, di 2 lang kayo. Diba?
If I may share, Chef, gusto ko kami ni Sasa. Dahil baka kami ma-cancel ng followers ni Sasa. Pag sila yung natalo.
Actually, sa itsura pa lang si Sasa Girl, mukhang palaban talaga.
May kakampi pa lang chef ang ating mga queens, si Chef Nancy, to fight.
Si Chef Nancy is the adobo queen. Very experienced also na adobo queen chef. And I don't know kung ano yung plano niyong lutuin. Probably maybe adobo also. Sisig or ano. Kayo ba, meron ba kayong idea kung anong party yung makukuha niyo at anong gagawin niyo?
Ngayon pa kami mag-uusap. Feeling ko inspired by ganito, parang barbecue, yung taba sa dulo lang.
Actually, we will be giving them the parts of the pork ahead of time. Hindi naman to parang on that day lang nila malaman para pwede yung talaga pagplanuhan for yung dish. I like that. Can you say that?
Yes, oh my God.
Diba? Diba? Feeling ko talaga, mga dark horse to mga sila, the beauty queens. And I think you will have work cut off sa inyo. Kasi, syempre, as chefs, hindi tayo dapat magpatalo. Diba? So, again, I'm inviting everyone on the last day of May 31st. That's the start of our second Heart Festival. Sobrang daming mangyayari aside from the cooking showdown. Marami kayong matitikman na pork dishes. Maraming events, maraming entertainment as well. So I'm looking forward kasi I'll be also joining these two groups while they're cooking. I'll be also there hosting, and I'm also going to judge their food. So ayan. All right. So back to
Alright, guys, okay. Kailangan doon ulit ng isang photo para to sa Chefs versus Queens. Part of this segment ng ating Art Festival is coming May 31. Yes! Of course, isama